So there you have the gruesome remains of the seagull that the bald eagle you were just watching ate. Took him about 20-25 minutes to eat the whole thing, and that's what's left. And now the crows want to take the remains. So that's another day with our favorite little bald eagle mates at their nest at Jericho Beach in Vancouver. Second week of December at about 11 o'clock on a Monday morning, and I'd better get out of here because the crows are going to try to eat me. Well, I was not expecting that. I guess he decided, I don't know, he just wanted to swing by one more time for leftovers, I'm not sure, but happens a lot that I think I'm finished and I pack up the camera and the tripod and turn it off and start walking away, and as you just saw, he flew right over me when I wasn't ready. So, anyways, that's gotta be enough for today.